Keep walking.
I'm walking.
I'll save you if you fall on your ass.
Sure you will.
Okay, hang on. Don't open them
Oh, no,
yet.
they're not open.
Okay.
Gosh, that would be sucky to be blind.
Okay, now don't open them. Don't open them. Stand right there. Okay, open them.
Oh my gosh, it's Clifford! Oh, Clifford! Oh, she called it Clifford. Look at, he doesn't have the same seats, does he?
Yeah, it does.
Does this have the same seats? No, they had white in them a little bit.
No, you had a seat
this
cover.
Key? Do you remember this key? Oh, Clifford! Okay, this is not what I expected. I expected a limo. Oh my god! Oh, Clifford. He's back. Oh, Clifford. He's back. Does he have park?
No, he's got a gear shift
Did
this
you
time.
carry the bricks? Yeah, it's not the same, this thing.
That's the only difference.
And look at these. Do you remember these? Oh my, the choke. Oh my gosh, do you remember the choke? Is it the same year?
Same year, same everything.
Did you buy it? Or we just borrowed it for the night? Oh my god, let's go show Alan.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.